In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Salesforce with Outlook to streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. This integration allows you to access Salesforce records directly from Outlook, making it easier to manage your tasks and customer interactions without switching between applications. We'll be going through each step carefully so you can follow along and set this up smoothly for your team. First, let's start by navigating to the Setup area in Salesforce. You'll want to log into your Salesforce account, and once you're there, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You should see a gear icon. Click on that icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you'll select Setup. This will take you to the Setup homepage, where you can configure a wide variety of settings for your Salesforce environment. Now, we need to find the Outlook integration settings. To do this, head over to the Quick Find bar, which is a very handy tool located near the top left of your Setup page. In that quick find bar, start typing Outlook Integration and Sync. As you type, you'll see a list of options appear. Simply select Outlook Integration and Sync from this list to move to the next screen. With the Outlook Integration Settings page open, the next step is to enable the Outlook Integration feature. Look for the toggle switch next to Outlook Integration. You'll want to switch this to On. Then expand the settings just beneath that toggle. This is where you allow users to access Salesforce records directly from their Outlook account, which is the heart of this entire process. Make sure these settings are properly configured before proceeding. The next crucial step is assigning permissions. Not everyone in your organization will automatically have access to this integration. You'll need to specifically designate which users do. Look for the tab or link within these settings to assign permission sets. Here you can select the users or groups who will need to access the Salesforce integration with Outlook. Make sure you assign these permissions appropriately, as different roles within your organization might require different levels of access. Finally, it's time to add the add-in to Outlook. To do this, find the section titled Give Users the Integration in Outlook. Here, you'll see an option to click on Microsoft App Source. Clicking this will direct you to the store where you can find the link for the add-in needed for Outlook. Simply follow the prompts and ensure your users install the add-in so they can access Salesforce records directly from Outlook. And there you have it, a simple way to integrate Salesforce with Outlook, enhancing your productivity and making sure your Salesforce data is always accessible when needed. I hope this video was helpful, and if you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out. Stay tuned for more tips on maximizing your Salesforce experience.